Hi friends, this is Shiva. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you virtual experiment how to make logic not get. You can search on any browser, tinkercad.com. You can find the website. For a new user, you have to register first of all. You can log in with your Google account. You can see 3D design, circuits, and code blocks. These are the options. Yeah, you can also here the join the classes. Here are some designs I made, my own designs. These all are, and collections, tutorials. They will provide you free tutorials on circuits, 3D designing, and code blocks. You can use them to make some of the projects, and click on create, and we need a circuit, so click on circuits. Wait for a second, it is loading. Yeah, here is the new page. So clean new page, and you can select or search components whatever we need. So I'm searching for battery, so you can choose a battery, whatever battery you want. So I'm taking this, drag and drop here. Okay, I'm adjusting so its size. Okay, yeah, here's the LED, drag and drop, and we also need some resistors. Take the resistors, and transistor, and switch, everything whatever required. So we can select the resistance value after. Okay, now click on a resistor or any component here and press R to rotate. Now click on the terminal. You will see wire, drag and connect to the resistor, and you can directly connect the LED, or you can connect with wire. Now I am okay, connected. Okay, it's perfect now. And drag the resistor, sorry, the switch wherever you place what you want. So now I'm connecting the wire, positive wire, to the switch, and okay, it's fine. Now connect the switch wire to the transistor. You can adjust the wire alignment. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, now drag the resistor. Okay, now I'm connecting a resistor to the base of the terminal of transistor, and positive wire to this resistor. Okay, it's fine. And adjusting wire. Okay, it's fine. Okay, everything is fine. Now if you want to change the color of wire, click on the any wire you want, and click here. You will see colors, selecting red. Okay, now I am selecting all wire colors. Yeah, it's fine right now. And click here on schematic on the top. You can see here, see, click on schematic view. Yeah, you can see a schematic view of the circuit what you made, And you can also see the components, all the components here. Sorry, I forgot to say you how to select the resistance of the resistor values. Click on resistor and you will get pop-up. There you can select. Now click on start simulation. Yeah, simulation is started. See, whenever I'm turning on the switch, the LED is turning off. See, it is not get logic not get. See, when I'm turning on the switch, the transistor is getting activated and the current is flowing through this transistor. And it is just like simply I can explain like current is choosing low resistance, so it is passing through this transistor. It is getting activated. So when I'm turning on, the transistor is turning off, so current is flowing through this LED. Yeah, that's for today. Okay, I forgot to say you how to select the resistance of the resistor. Click on the resistor and you will see pop-up. There you can select the resistance of the each resistor. Yeah, happy tinkering.